Season 2 of the popular crime drama Mirzapur will release on October 23rd. Cast member Ali Fazal confirmed on Monday. The date announced came through a special video featuring Fazal's voice. In the nearby minute-long video, the actor who plays Guddu Bhaiya describes two kinds of people, dead and alive, and then a third kind, wounded. हमसे सब छीन लिए और हमें जिंदा छोड़ दिए, गलती किए. He concluded with a warning. Actors Pankaj Tripathi, Divyendu, Shweta Tripathi Sharma, Rasika Duggal and Harshita Shekhar Gaur will return reprising their roles from the first season, as will Amit Sial, Anjum Sharma, Shiba Chadha, Manushi Chadha and Rajesh Telang. The new season has some interesting additions too, with Vijay Verma, Priyanshu Benyule and Isha Talwar joining the cast. Season 2 is directed by Gurmeet Singh and Mihir Desai. Set in the Uttar Pradesh small town of Mirzapur, the show takes the audiences into a dark and complex world of guns, drugs and lawlessness. The first part revolved around a crime lord named Kaleen Bhaiya and how his empire is affected when the two brothers Guddu and Bablu get associated with his business. There's trouble when Kaleen Bhaiya's son, Munna, gets threatened by their presence. Actor Hrithik Roshan and his family bid adieu to Ganpati Bappa in a home Visarjan ceremony on Sunday. Hrithik's mother, Pinky Roshan, shared glimpses of the Ganpati Visarjan celebration on Instagram. In the pictures, Hrithik, his ex-wife Suzanne, their sons Rehan and Radan, Pinky, Rakesh Roshan, Hrithik's sister Sunaina, and another family member can be seen. Hrithik's former wife Suzanne Khan temporarily moved back with him to take care of their sons together amid the coronavirus outbreak. Actor Ishan Khattar and Ananya Pandey starrer film Khali Pili teaser is finally out now. Sharing the teaser on Instagram, Ishan wrote, शानों की बस्ती में आला रहे ढेर शाना, चल अब बत्ती बुझा और देख खाली पीली का गर्मा गर्म teaser. Ananya took to Instagram to share the teaser. She captioned the post, खाली पीली रोकने का नहीं, teaser link in the bio, go watch now. Set in Mumbai, Khali Pili is a young edgy roller coaster ride that kickstart one night when boy meets girl. The Masala Entertainer is directed by Maqbool Khan and produced by Ali Abbas Zafar with Zee Studios and Himanshu Kishan Mehra. Having fully recovered from COVID, Amitabh Bachchan is back at work. He has started shooting for the 12th season of popular quiz show Kaun Banega Crorepati. The veteran actor posted a picture on Instagram of the crew dressed in black PPE suits and masks. He captioned the picture, "It's back to work in a sea of blue PPE. KBC 12 started 2000, today year 2020. 20 years amaze, that's a lifetime." Ganesh Chaturthi commenced on Saturday and celebrities including Amitabh Bachchan, Akshay Kumar, Priyanka Chopra and Madhuri Dixit posted wishes for fans, friends and followers on social media. Several stars including Rajkumar Rao and their Mirza urged for an eco-friendly festival. Here's what they have to say. Amitabh Bachchan, Ganpati Bappa Moria. Akshay Kumar, Happy Ganesh Chaturthi to you and your family. Please continue maintaining social distancing, avoid inviting people home and visiting people's homes. May our Vignaharta help us tide over these difficult times. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Priyanka Chopra, Ganesh Chaturthi celebrating this year might be different from the usual, but the spirit and faith will always remain the same. May this festival bring a new beginning for all of us. Rajkumar Rao, Happy Ganesh Chaturthi everyone, sending prayers and peace. Homemade Ganpati with wheat flour and turmeric. It's such an amazing feeling to make our own Ganpati at home this year. Madhuri Dixit Nene, Bappa's arrival will be a little different this year as we fight through the pandemic. I am remembering moments from previous year's celebration with family, friends and on sets. Wish you all a very blessed Ganesh Chaturthi. Celebrate responsibly and stay safe. Dia Mirza, in a way Visarjan reflects nature life cycle while it should be one of the most eco-friendly events in India. It has become something else together. This Ganpati take a moment to understand the meaning of a birth cycle. Go minimal, natural and sustainable. Hope you all have joyous and safe festivities. Ganpati Bappa Moria. Karan Johar, may the power of Lord Ganesh protect you and your loved ones from all the evil. May the power enhance all positivity and spread only love. Please stay safe. Bollywood actor Ritesh Deshmukh is quite active on social media. The actor keeps sharing glimpses from his day-to-day life with his fans. Recently, Ritesh shared a video with his sons Riyan and Rahil on Instagram in which he can be seen making eco-friendly Ganpati idols with them from scratch. Sharing the video, Ritesh wrote, "Ganpati Bappa Moria, Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, wishing happiness and prosperity to you and your entire family. Hashtag eco-friendly Ganesha from Riyan and Rahil." Bollywood actress Shilpa Shetty Kundra and her family bid adieu to Ganpati Bappa in a home Visarjan ceremony. The family had welcomed Bappa on Saturday. Shilpa took to Instagram to share pictures and videos from the Visarjan. In the video, Shilpa can be seen dancing with her son Raj and son Vyan. On the work front, Shilpa will next be seen in Nikamma and Hangama too.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.